Welcome, my friends, followers of the Light Code channel. I am the teacher Masoud Al-Dahash. I welcome you to new lesson. In order to start learning Laravel in a practical way, we need to download and install 3 tools: Composer here, Xmpp, and code editor. I suggest you Vscode. Composer is a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows us to declare the library we need for our project, and it manages them for us. Composer helps us installing, updating various requirements components for our application, such as Laravel framework. In order to download and install the Composer, we open any browser like this and type Composer word, Composer, and hit enter. Select Composer here. For downloading the prepared version, we choose the version that matches with the operating system, Windows, Linux, Macs. And after that, we download the Composer. Look here, this latest 2.4.4 download. Here you can see many choose. My operation system is Windows, so I click on this and we will download this. After download, it install very simple. And after we install that, for order to verify that the Composer is working properly, open the CMD command line and type the word Composer like this. Type CMD for opening a command line, this command line. After installing Composer, type Composer, and hit enter. You can see here Composer works well, and here is information, lot of information about Composer and how it works and how we can use it. The second tools we need called Xmpp, this application. Xmpp is one of the widely used cross-platform web server, local web server, which help developers, will help us to create and test our application on a local web server. He create for us local web server. The Xmpp developed by the Apache friend, and Xmpp native source code can be revised and modified by the audience. Xmpp consists of Apache HTTP server, MariaDB, and interpreter for different program language like PHP. Xmpp available in 11 language and supported by many platforms such Windows, OS, and Linux. With Xmpp in place, we can test project or modify our project before releasing them to the internet. The MySQL database form a vital component of the Xmpp stack. The MySQL being one of the most significant features of Xmpp. With Xmpp, we can use PHP admin to create our Xmpp MySQL database in minutes. For download the Xmpp, we open any browser and type like this Xmpp. We can see many options here. Click on this option and select the version which match with our operation system. My operation system is Windows. I select this at 8.1.10. After select this, it will start downloading. And after downloading, we install it in our system, in our device, or in our computer. The example will be installed generally in the C portation, C drive, but we can we are free to choose to install it in another place, another drive. After installation, we open C drive, click here, and open C drive and search Xmpp, this Xmpp. After that, go to this icon, right click here, and send it to the desktop here. We can see the Xmpp here, this icon Xmpp, local server maker. Click on it. It opens one page for us. Yes. On this page, many options. We need Apache server, local server, and MySQL server. Click on this icon. It create for us a local server, this port which for data. After that, click on this icon. It start for us MySQL database management. You can say here and when we click this on this icon, this open for us my PHP admin section, which can see and manage our database. You can here we can build and create a new database and management database and see data which are stored in this database. Here you can build and modify any database you like, and you can link the database to your application. We will create by Laravel framework. Third tools we need is called the code editor, any code editor, but I suggest you Vscode, this Vscode. In order to build a new project on the basis of the Laravel framework, we must have a code editor. I suggest you the Vscode. Vscode editor, it is a light code editor and with capabilities, high capabilities. But you are given the choice to use any other code editor that can deal with PHP language, for example, PHP Store. In order to download Vscode, we open any browser and type here, and type Vscode, Vscode. You can see here many options. Click on download. Select the version which matches with your operation system. My operation system is Windows. I select this and click hit here. It will start downloading. After downloading, installing Vscode is very simple. Yes, here, click here. After downloading, we will install Vscode in the drives that we like most. After installation, the Vscode icon will appear on the desktop here. After installation, the Vscode installation appear on the desktop. Click on this. It will open a code editor for us, and we can see here. Yes, this we discuss the different section of this Vscode in the future lesson. I think is enough for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good moment